Are you winning the league?
My brother, all I'm saying,
Champion in waiting.
my brother, all I'm saying to you, tonight we're beating Magesi 3-0. Next week we're beating Durban City. The league is gone, my brother.
The league is gone.
The league is gone.
Masandawana are the league is not gone.
The league is going to Orlando, my brother. Yes.
Escotini, last game next week, Durban City, we wanna join.
Yes, we're gonna beat Durban City next week. After that, we're going to PE and beat Opit in PE.
PE.
Yes, we're going to PE.
Is it confirmed?
It's confirmed.
Is it?
Yes.
Yes.
Nelson Mandela Bay. Gqeberha, my brother. Spisi. Yes, because now the Spisi will be lifting the cup. Gqeberha. Yes. Yes, we are ready.
You are ready.
Yeah, we are ready. Only for not first branch, we're going to PE. We are ready.
So Mara Uringo Masandawan, message out for Masandawana, Barry. They are left with one game.
Yes, Sandawana, the league is gone. The league is gone. The league is going to Orlando. The league is going to Orlando. Sandawana. Phelile baba, phelile. Abalale mntanami. Nala Sandawana. Thank you. Thank you.